Here comes the Samoan werewolf, Jacob Fatu. Jacob Fatu is very angry on Drew McIntyre because last week on SmackDown, Jacob Fatu lost the Triple Threat Elimination Chamber qualifier match because of Drew McIntyre's attack. And now Jacob Fatu is here for revenge and he is very angry. Jacob Fatu destroying the security guards and officials. SmackDown General Manager Nick Aldis trying to stop him, but Jacob Fatu can't be stopped. Nick Aldis trying to tell Jacob Fatu, you will have your chance against Drew McIntyre. Look at the security guard who just got destroyed by Jacob Fatu. Oh no, the masked man attacked Jacob Fatu. The sudden attack on Jacob Fatu by the masked man. He attacked Fatu and ran away, and now Fatu is also attacking the security guards. 3 of them are down, and Jacob Fatu is leaving the SmackDown arena.
Jacob Fatu is on gas!
McIntyre attacks Fatu with a Glasgow kiss. And now, super kick by Jacob Yarami Fatu. Oh no, Jacob Fatu attacks McIntyre. This is what happens when you mess with a Samoan werewolf. And now Randy freaking Orton destroying Aleister Black here on SmackDown. Clothesline sends Black outside. And now, oh no, Aleister Black saves himself from the disaster and a chop to Randy Orton. Kick again. And now Orton sends Black again outside, and this time the Apex Predator ready to strike. Win STD to Aleister Black. And the Viper, the Apex Predator, the 14-time world champion, is feeling it. Randy Orton will be the part of 2026 Men's Elimination Chamber match. And now RKO. No, Aleister Black again escapes. But now Orton. Oh no, again Aleister Black fighting back against the Apex Predator. Again a kick, again a boot to the face. Same thing happened moments ago. And now Orton again sends Black outside. If you mess with a Viper, then this definitely happens. You can't oversmart the Apex Predator. You can't oversmart the Viper. And now Orton, the punishment for Black has begun. A backdrop to the announcer's table by Randy Orton to Aleister Black. Look at the reaction of Black, who is screaming with pain after the backdrop of the Viper. Fans want one more time. And look at this from different camera angle. Bang! The impact. Randy Orton is not done yet. Third time's the charm for Aleister Black. But you know, this charm is painful. Orton back inside the ring. And again going outside. The fourth backdrop by Orton. And now showing his physique. The Apex Predator in the best shape of his life at 45. Orton again back inside the ring and again going outside. Now sends Black inside the ring and now Orton going for the cover. Black kicks out and now Randy Orton. Oh no, Aleister Black. Now the Viper. With the clotheslines and now a swift power slam by the Apex Predator. Randy Orton is feeling it while the wife of Aleister Black, Zelina Vega, is tensed and worried about her husband. Win testimony by the Apex Predator. And now Randy Orton is ready to strike. Like the Viper strikes. Out of nowhere. Orton is ready. Oh no, again Black ran away like a coward. I think Zelina told him to do it. But now Randy Orton. Bang! Went SDT at ringside. And look at Zelina Vega's reaction to all this. Oh no. The undisputed champion Drew McIntyre attacks Randy Orton with the championship. Drew McIntyre just smashed Randy Orton with the undisputed WWE title just moments ago. Cody Rhodes is here. And McIntyre ran away. Cody is chasing him. But McIntyre was prepared to run away like a coward again. And look at Randy Orton. He doesn't know where he is. And Aleister Black is ready. Black Mass. Cover by Aleister. 3. And just like that, Aleister Black has defeated Randy Orton. And now we got a triple threat elimination chamber qualifier. Trick Williams versus Carmelo Hayes versus Damian Priest. And the Punisher punishing Trick Williams and Carmelo Hayes both. Bang! Williams and Hayes working together. Cover by Trick. Oh, this time Carmelo breaks the pin and now Carmelo Hayes and Trick Williams fighting to get a chance to compete inside Men's Elimination Chamber 2026. Oh, what a kick by Trick Williams. Kick out by Hayes. Incredible action here on SmackDown. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more incredible wrestling action like this. Carmelo Hayes and Trick Williams, who got a long history in NXT. Trick Williams worked as a sidekick for Carmelo Hayes for a long time in NXT, for months. And now the Punisher is back inside the ring for action. The Punisher, Damian Priest. Razor's Edge. Cover by Priest. Oh, Trick Williams kick out. He's gonna whoop that Trick, baby. But now Carmelo Hayes, nothing but neck to Damian Priest. Cover. A kick out. No, there was no kick out. Actually, Trick Williams just broke the pin at the very last moment and took the chance from Carmelo Hayes to become a part of Men's Elimination Chamber. And now Trick also kicks out. Look at Damian Priest. He is coming back inside the ring. And now Carmelo Hayes going for a nothing but net. But oh no! Priest smashes him in the midair. And now Priest. Oh! It's a trick shot. Another trick shot to Damian Priest. Trick Williams wins the match and becomes a part of Men's Elimination Chamber. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more incredible action.